Good morning students, I am Maushmi Prasad and I am creator of this channel Digital Generation. This channel is regarding chapter wise preparation for both ICSE and CBSE students. I hope you will get best knowledge and explanation from this channel. Good morning students, I am Maushmi Prasad and I am creator of this channel Digital Generation. This channel is regarding chapter wise preparation for both ICSE and CBSE students. I hope you will get best knowledge and explanation from this channel. So in this way we can find the number of hydrogen atom present in alkyne group. Let's take the example of butane. Butane means C4, then H will be 2 into 4 minus 2, that is C4H6. This will be the formula of butane. If we draw the structure of butane, we will get in this way: C, 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 here triple bond C, here only one H atom will be present, here only 2 and here 3. Thus CH3, CH2, C, CH, C4H6. This is the structure of butane. In this way we can draw the structural formula of the organic compound, and also we can find the number of hydrogen atom present in it. So I have told you that unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. So alkene or alkynes are more reactive than alkanes, because alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Another thing is to be kept in mind here, that either the organic compound is alkane or it is alkene or it is alkyne, it will have 4 valence electrons. The valency of carbon will be the same, that is 4, and the name of alkene and alkyne are the derivatives of alkane. For example, if an alkane contains 2 carbon atom, then it will be called ethane. Similarly, alkene containing 2 carbon atom will be called ethene, and the alkyne containing 2 carbon atom will be called as ethyne. Now we will draw the structure of ethane, ethene and ethyne with its structural formula as well as with its electron brought structure. So what will be the structure of ethane? The formula of ethane is C2H6. You have to remember the general formula. H will be 2n plus 2. 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6. So number of hydrogen atom will be 6. This is the molecular formula of ethane. So what will be the structure of ethane? In ethane there is carbon-carbon single bond because it is an alkane. So we will draw 2 carbon atom. This is 1 carbon atom and this is 1 carbon atom. This carbon atom will share 1 electron and this carbon atom will also share 1 electron. So there is single bond. This carbon shares 1 electron and this carbon atom shares 1 electron. So how many electrons are left in this carbon? 1, 2, 3. In this carbon atom also 3 valence electrons are left. Now it will be occupied by hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. Now see the number of electrons in each carbon atom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has completed its octet. And the number of electrons in hydrogen also 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So by sharing of electrons these type of compounds are formed. Now how many bonds are present in this ethane? Carbon-carbon bond, that is 1 carbon-carbon bond. Single bond because it is ethane, and each carbon atom has 3 carbon hydrogen single bond. So each carbon atom has 3 hydrogen bond. So there are 6 hydrogen bond. Carbon hydrogen bond there are 6. So total number of bonds is equal to 7. Thus in ethane there are 7 bonds together. 1 carbon-carbon bond which is also single bond, and 3, 3, 6 carbon hydrogen bond. That is, there are 7 bonds in ethane. Now we will draw the structure formula of ethane. Structure formula will be C, C because single bond, and each carbon atom combines with 3 hydrogen atom. Thus the structural formula is CH3, CH3. This is called structural formula and this is called condensed structural formula. Now we will study another important structure which is known as electron dot structure. What is electron dot structure? In electron dot structure, only the valence electron are shown. If there is carbon-carbon single bond, then only 2 electron dots will be present because each carbon shares 1 electron. So 2 electrons will be present in the bond and thus it will form a single bond. The single bond in electron dot structure will contain 2 dots. Similarly, in double bond of carbon atoms, each carbon shares 2 electrons. That is, there are 4 electrons which are shared. So in double bonds, there will be 4 electron or there will be 2 pairs of electron dots. Similarly, in carbon-carbon triple bond, each carbon shares 3 electrons and thus there will be 6 electrons which are shared, or there will be 6 dots, or there are 3 pairs of electrons in electron dot structure. Now we will draw the electron dot structure of ethane. In ethane it is easy because it is single bond. There will be only 2 electrons in electron dot structure combining these 2 carbon atoms. This is carbon giving 4. This is electron dot structure. Carbon is having 4 electrons, that is the valence electrons, and here is another carbon which is sharing 1 electron with this carbon and 3 electrons are given up. And now hydrogen will combine with this electron, so this will be hydrogen, here will be the hydrogen, hydrogen. So how many hydrogen are there? 6 hydrogen. And how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. And the electrons share 2. This carbon shares 1 electron and this carbon atom also shares electron. And each carbon atom gets 8 electron for fulfilling its octet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This carbon atom will also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because this is shared by both the carbon atoms. This is the electron dot structure of ethane. Similarly, now we will draw the structure of ethene, that is alkene, or the first member of alkene group. What is the molecular formula of ethene? Ethene means 2 carbon atom, and in ethene the number of hydrogen atom will be double that of carbon atom, so it will be 4. So C2H4 is the molecular formula of ethene. Now we will draw the structure of ethene. In ethene there is carbon-carbon double bond. So the first member of alkene group is ethene and not methane because methane contains only 1 carbon atom. The first member of alkane group is methane, and the first member of alkene and alkyne, ethene and ethyne respectively. So the first member of alkene group is ethene. Now we will draw the structure of the compound first, then we will show the structural formula, condensed structure and then electron dot structure. Any one of them can come in the exam. So first draw the structure of ethene. Here carbon-carbon double bond is present. So this carbon will share 2 electrons with another carbon and this carbon will also share 2 electrons. So there are 4 electrons here. Thus it contains double bond. I have told you that in double bond there are 4 electrons or 2 pairs of electrons, whereas in single bond there are only 2 electrons. So each carbon atom shares 2 electrons here. Always keep in mind that carbon has 4 valency. Whatever, either it forms single bond or double bond or triple bond, then we will minus it from the bond. Here this carbon shares 2 electrons, so only 2 more electrons are left. Here also 2 electrons, so 2 more electrons are left. These will be combined by hydrogen. This is the structure of ethene containing carbon-carbon double bond. Now we will draw the structural formula of ethene. C double bond. Each carbon contains 2 hydrogen. This is the structural formula of ethene. Now condensed structure will be CH2 double bond CH2. This is the condensed structure. Again we will draw the electron dot structure of this ethene. In electron dot structure we will put the electron here. This carbon shares 2 electrons and this carbon also shares 2 electrons. So there are 4 electrons here, or 2 pairs of electron forming double bond. So 2 electrons are gone, only 2 electrons are left. Here also 2 electrons of the carbon are left. This is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. This is the electron dot structure of ethene, containing carbon-carbon double bond, which means there are 4 electrons which are shared by 2 carbon. Now we will draw the structure of ethyne. Ethyne. It is the first member of alkyne group. What will be its molecular formula? C2. How many hydrogen atom will be there? Let's remember or recall the formula. CnH2n minus 2, where n is equal to number of carbon atoms. So if carbon atom is 2, then the number of hydrogen atom will be 2 into 2 minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, 2, C2H2. This is the formula of ethyne. Now we will draw the structure. Ethyne contains carbon-carbon triple bond because it is an alkyne group. So this is the carbon atom and this is the carbon atom. Each carbon will share 3 electrons because it is carbon-carbon triple bond. This carbon gives 3 electrons and this carbon also gives 3 electrons. So there are 6 electrons or 3 pairs of electron which is shared. How many electrons will be left here? Only 1 electrons will be left. Here also only 1 electrons will be left. This is hydrogen and this is hydrogen. So the structural formula of ethyne will be, this is ethyne. Structural formula will be C triple bond C H H, or we can write CH triple bond CH. If we draw the structure formula, then C triple bond C, here is one H and here is also one H. This is the condensed structure of ethyne and this is the structural formula of ethyne. In ethane we will see how many bonds are present. There is one carbon-carbon double bond and each carbon atom has 2 hydrogen bond. So there are 4 carbon-hydrogen single bond and 1 carbon-carbon double bond. Therefore there are 5 bonds in ethane. Now we will see how many bonds are there in ethyne. In ethyne there is 1 carbon-carbon triple bond and each carbon atom forms single bond with hydrogen. So there are 2 carbon-hydrogen single bond. Therefore there are 3 bonds. 1 carbon-carbon triple bond and 2 carbon-hydrogen single bond. So we can say that in ethane there are 7 bonds, in ethene there are 5 bonds and in ethyne there are only 3 bonds because carbon valence electrons are being used up. In ethane only 1 electron is shared by each carbon atom. In ethene 2 electrons are shared by each carbon atom and in ethyne 3 electrons are shared by each carbon atom. Now we will draw the electron dot structure of ethyne. In ethyne this carbon shares 3 electrons and this carbon also shares 3 electrons. So there is carbon-carbon triple bond. For forming 1 bond there must be 2 electrons. So for forming 3 bonds there must be 6 electrons or 3 pairs of electrons. This carbon gives 3 electrons and this carbon gives 3 electrons and forms carbon-carbon triple bond in alkyne. We are here taking ethyne, that means there are only 2 carbon atoms. How many valence of carbon atoms are left? Only 1. Here also only 1 is left. This is hydrogen and this is hydrogen. This is the electron dot structure of ethyne. In this way we can draw the structural formula, electron dot structure of all the compounds knowing the formula. There are some important questions given in the PDF, so please click the link below and see the PDF for important MCQs and short questions. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find my video useful, please do like and share my video and subscribe my channel to get the latest update of my videos. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic, comment below. I will try to answer as early as possible.